For latest videos and updates, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum tech lovers. My name is Mohammad Ukas Nasir and today we are going to talk about the beautiful and amazing Samsung Galaxy Watch. So stay with me and keep watching. Welcome back guys. I hope you are all fine out there. So let's get started. As you can see, this is the box of the Samsung Galaxy Watch. There are two versions in it. One is LTE and the other one is Bluetooth. So I have the Bluetooth one with me and it's a 46 watch. So let's get started. Let's open it and see what's inside. So as you can see that on the top we have the watch, and let's take it out. So this is the watch that we have on the top. We have here. Okay, so we have here this wireless charger, and then we have the adapter, and on the other side we have this manual and the warranty card, and the last thing we have is this strap. So it's an extra step that in case if it breaks or if you lost your strap, then you can replace with this one. So that's it. These are the things we have in the box. So let's put these things aside. And let's check it. So first take a look at this one. The main thing, the watch. So you can see how beautiful it is. It's really looking amazing from the outside. So let's take a look at the watch. So on the front side we have a 1.3 inch AMOLED display screen, and we have 4 gigabyte of storage in it, and 768 megabyte of RAM. So it's quite good, and the storage is also almost good in this small little watch. And then we have on the right side we have 2 buttons. This one can be used for the home button, and you can also power on this watch by pressing and holding down it for 2 seconds. And on the other hand we have the return key button, that if you want to go back then you can press this one. And we have here is the rubber strap. It's really soft and flexible. So you can see that it's really soft and a good feel in my hand. And on the back we have a sensor that when we put this watch on our wrist, so and it could track different things like calories and heart rate and maybe stress level, these type of things. And yeah, I think it's amazing feature. So these are the basic features of this smartwatch, and you have many more apps in it. So when you first power it on, you just have to connect it with your mobile phone using Samsung Galaxy wearable app. and after it successfully connects, then you have all the things you can see here on your smartwatch screen. When you press this home button, you can see a beautiful menu here. So this is the main menu of this smartwatch. So you can see the apps, basic apps on the screen, and you just have to use this bezel clockwise or anti-clockwise. It's really easy to rotate the bezel, and it's really giving a good feel in your hand. You feel really good and amazing when you rotating it around. Let's get back to the other things. So what we have here is the wireless charger that we have. So on the back we have the connector, and on the front we have this place where we can just put our watch, and then it will start charging. Here we have one extra strap, and this is the manual and the warranty card. So these are the total things that we have with this watch, and my recommendation would be that if you are going out, you are running or walking around, or if you are especially driving your car and you don't want to take out your phone and respond it, definitely it could be dangerous also. So then this kind of thing would definitely help you out, and you can easily manage all the things from your mobile phone device with this one. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. So if you like it, hit that like button and press the subscribe button and the bell icon so you have my next video on your screens. Till then, stay blessed, stay positive. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.